All right, here we go. Welcome to Maptools. Okay, click on the map and then hold spacebar. That's how you can point at things on the map and be like, hey, what's that? Who's this? All that good stuff. Control space to make a talking bubble to put over your token whenever you're going to talk as your token. You will all have tokens like these, by the way. Shift space to make a thinking cloud so you can sass your allies without getting punished for it. All right, so now we have some preferences to change. Go to the top left-hand corner, go to Edit, go to Preferences, click that. Go to Sounds, and then go to where it says Play System Sounds and uncheckmark that so your sanity doesn't evaporate. All right, so now go on to Interactions in that same area, and then go to where it says Tokens, and then scroll down to where it says Stat Sheet Portrait Size, and change that to 500. So that way when you scroll over a token, it'll pop up nice and big and look really nice. All right, and in addition to that, you'll see things like, as you scroll over them, you'll see that there's statistics like HP, AC, all that information, which is information that will be pre-programmed into your tokens for you. And you can go ahead and move them around. You know, if you hold down left click to move them. As you move them, you might notice there's a number underneath the token square. That is the number of feet that you're moving. So every single one of those spaces is a 5-foot square. To help you see that, hit Control G to bring up the grid.
Control G. Got it. Now here's a question. Every time I move over a token, it throws up that big picture. Is there a way to not have it do that every time?
Well, if you don't want it to be that big, you can go back to the stat sheet portrait size and actually make it smaller.
Yeah, some tokens you can also right-click Show Handout, and it'll pop out their full art in a separate window for you.
Yep, right-click Show Handout to bust out their character art if you want to look at it, you know, more closely. Furthermore, you know, you move the tokens around. There's other things you can do, like let's say these two NPCs are talking to each other, you know, and you know, oh, she looks down. Nice.
Cool. How'd you look down?
All right, so click on a token, hold down Shift and then scroll wheel to do the quick look, and then Control Shift to do the individual look, and that will help add life to the character as you kind of roleplay as the token.
How are you today?
Yeah, and you can do stuff like that. And that's how you move around. That's how you can do things like that. You can like flip your token, right click and go to flip horizontal to like look at somebody. So essentially, the token will be your ability to interact with the world.
Cute. Okay, just gonna get a little bit right.
Oh, let me help you here. Right click,
snap to grid.
You guys can right click, go to where it says snap to grid, and left click that, and then you can move freely off the grid. So that you can, you know, you can take you can take seats and stuff. Wow,
It's more comfortable, thank you.
Click on your token.
Nothing's coming on.
All right, do you see the selection window on your map tool?
No, I don't.
Okay, top left-hand corner, go to window, click that, go down to where it says selected. Is there a check mark in front of that?
Oh, I see that now, yes.
Okay, there you go.
How can I see like what my inventory is?
Double click on your token.
Yeah.
And then go to where the notes tab is. All of your equipment is located in whenever you double click on your token.
I have 2 short swords?
Yeah, to roll a D10 R6. Now I will demonstrate what that looks like. So it'll look like this, except in brackets. So go ahead and roll that now. In brackets. In these.
It's been a while.
It's okay.
It's been a while.